Let's say that in language learning, when you try to learn a language as a foreigner, you have two types of mistakes, grammatical mistakes and pragmatic mistakes. Okay,
so and what do you exactly mean by pragmatic mistake? I don't know exactly what that means. Imagine I'm just a beginner student and I want to improve my learning English. So what would be the 5 best tips so that I have to improve if I want to learn English?
I think the most important in learning a language is being confident, like you are. You just call me and talk.
Thank you.
Very confident. No, but
I'm glad that you say.
No, really, but you learn so much by doing that, by just going for it. Okay, don't stay in your room and learn rules and stuff. No,
well,
go speak
to be
with
honest,
native.
we don't have enough environment to talk with English learning speaker. That's why I am on Cambly right now.
But what I really recommend is having a notebook where you write down vocabulary, new vocabulary. I really use it for, I learn different languages. I also speak French and a bit Chinese. So I always have notebooks where I write down words to remember them and to use them again when I write an email or whatsoever. Yeah.
So in Bangladesh, we have a bit trouble about finding out exact area, like the listening or maybe speaking or reading or maybe the writing. So what would be your first advice? Why should I start with my learning journey if I want to speak like a native, or maybe want to speak with natural conversation like? So can you give me some tips about vocabulary? So what type of vocabulary should I use first as a beginner? Like, should I use some fancy word first, or maybe it's just basic English vocabulary I should learn at the very beginning of my learning English journey? So
I don't speak that good. I speak many languages, but not that good. People speak English better than me. Okay.
No. You are speaking. It's just natural flow. I just want that flow, because I don't want to translate something before I want to say something. So I want something that is called the natural thing. I want to speak like natural speaker does. So that's what my goal is, and I want to to be honest, I want to go to Canada because for my master degree.
Great, Canada.
It has been my dream to go there. It's not exactly for the learning. I want to be a citizen under Justin Trudeau.